Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section, Security and Privacy. Now scroll down, click on Privacy over here, and select Permission Manager. Finally, you can tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone, and click on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. Then apply one of the available options by tapping on the best one for you. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always just tap on one of your apps right away, scroll all the way down and tap on See All Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!